Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna talk about this North America Arms 22 Magnum revolver. Guys, if you don't have one of these, you got to get one. You talk about fun, and be honest with you, these things are very accurate. They're more accurate than the Derringers. They're a lot of fun to shoot. A lot of people laugh at it because it's so small, but guys, don't underestimate the power of this gun. Like I said, it gets laughed at. People think it's a toy, or hey, that's a cute lighter you have there. But guys, these things are deadly. North America Arms 22 Magnum revolvers, ported micro 22 Magnum. Let's get it down here and get some shots off of it. Let's see how good we can get, so we can hit some targets with it. Again, guys, beautiful, beautiful gun. This is the Venom edition. It had the big snakeskin grips on there. I didn't like it. It was too bulky in my hand. I sanded them down, and it turned out to be redwood. And then I 15,000 grit sandpaper on it and gave it a nice look to it, nice feel. But guys, it's an excellent gun. Let's and perfect for concealed carry, guys. This has been my go-to for several years now. But let's get a couple shots off and let's see. That's it. Guys, a lot of fun to shoot. I think I hit one spot down here towards the bottom. With the glare of the sun on the barrel, it's kind of hard to see, but right over here to the left. But nonetheless, it would have been a nice kill shot. But again, guys, they're a lot of fun to shoot. This is the ported North America Arms 22 Magnum revolver, 5-shot. Man, what a beautiful gun. This is definitely an option for concealed carry, guys. Like I said, it gets laughed at because of the size of it, but believe me, this thing is deadly. Takes a couple seconds to load. You got this rod here that if the shells don't come out when you tip it upside down, you push them right out with this right here. Very easy. But again, it's a lot of fun to shoot, guys. And a nice piece to add to your collection. Let me know what you guys think. And you guys got that Venom edition? How do you like those big grips on there? Like I said, I couldn't take the big grips. I didn't like it. I sanded mine down and got this redwood look on there. If you didn't see my review on there, I made the perfect little pocket holster. I have an old eyeglass case. Perfect, easy to conceal in your pocket. No one would ever know. And it's a great option, guys, for self-defense. Thanks for watching, everybody.